Fergie is back. Fergie is back. Fergie is back. Hi guys, happy to be back in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy my little vlogging trip, a little vlog here and a little vlog there, you know. Actually guys, it helps me to de-stress and balance my life. So it was good getting out of the kitchen and seeing what's going on the outside world. Guys, I'm happy to be back. I miss you guys. I love you. If you happen to be just browsing and you ran into my channel, please like and subscribe. To all FK gang, welcome back. Today I'll be making some rye, walnut, apple muffins. Or you can say apple, rye, walnut muffins. Alright? Here is my ingredients for today. This is my sugar. I'm using some vegetable oil, some walnuts, my rye flour, raisin, baking powder, baking soda, my cinnamon extract and cinnamon powder, some ginger, all-purpose flour, my applesauce, and an egg. So that's my ingredients for today, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I switched out one of my ingredients and I'm adding something else. Here, I'm supposed to be using this ingredient called for only brown sugar. So I'm cutting the amount of brown sugar and using white sugar, cane sugar instead. So that's the adjustment that I made. And I'm just gonna add some allspice to my ingredients. So that's the additional. All right, so in this bowl, I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna have like a 3/4 of a cup of my rye flour. Then I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons baking powder. This is 1/8 of a spoon of cinnamon, dry cinnamon, 1/8 of ginger, and 1/8 of my allspice. I'm gonna mix all these dry ingredients together. All right, guys? And set aside. So guys, now I'm gonna put my flour in my liquid and I'm gonna put it just to mix until it's combined. And So my FK gang, we're at the end of another segment. I'm here to present my apple, rye, walnut muffins. Enjoy, guys. I wanted to eat one so bad. Now I can eat it, right? So, as you know, pretty good. As you know, I feed the body, mind, the heart, soul. Now it's time to feed the soul. Today's scripture will be coming from 2 Samuel 22, verse 31. God's always perfect. All the Lord promises prove true. He is a shield for all who look to Him for protection. All right, guys? And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, a lot of people are afraid to say what they want. That's why they don't get what they want. Fergie's gang, don't be afraid to say what you want. Just ask for it, either yes or no. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.